multitasking, floating video windows, drag and drop between apps, and improved landscape layouts. Apple has already built these features into iPad OS, so bringing them to a foldable iPhone would make the device much more useful for productivity. Instead of just being a bigger phone, it becomes something closer to a portable computer. Price and release date. Now let's talk about the big question, the price. Most analysts believe the iPhone Fold could start around $2,000, which would easily make it the most expensive iPhone ever released. But foldable displays and complex hinge systems are very expensive to manufacture. Apple may release the first version as a premium flagship device aimed at early adopters. As for the release date, many reports suggest Apple could launch the iPhone Fold around September 2026, alongside the iPhone 18 lineup.